As you come in here, my favorite personal thing about these vehicles is you have memory seating. All you have to do is, it's very simple. All you have to do is click this button that says set. You hold it for about 3 or 4 seconds, you let go, and then you hold down your selection here. And then you'll hear a quiet beep, and then your seating is set to what you would like it to be. This will set your memory for your mirrors also, and your seats. So when you are getting ready to set your seat up, you also want to set up your mirrors and get them comfortably to where you would like them at. And that also falls in with setting your seats. So once you set your seats and your mirrors, you then go back to your set options and pick your number.